The Chernobyl disaster was a catastrophic nuclear accident that occurred on April 26, 1986, at the No. 4 reactor of the Chernobyl Nuclear Power Plant in Pripyat, Ukrainian SSR, Soviet Union. It is considered the worst nuclear disaster in history in terms of cost and casualties. The causes of the Chernobyl disaster can be attributed to a combination of design flaws in the reactor and a series of human errors during a safety test. The RBMK reactor design used in Chernobyl had several inherent design flaws that made it unstable under certain conditions. The disaster occurred during a safety test known as a systems test. The purpose of the test was to assess the capability of the reactor's cooling system to provide enough coolant in case of a power outage. However, the test was poorly planned and executed, disregarding important safety protocols. During the test, the reactor's power output was reduced to a level that made it highly unstable. At this point, a series of human errors further exacerbated the situation. The operators violated safety regulations and disabled critical safety systems, including the emergency core cooling system. Additionally, the reactor was operating at a low power level, which made it more susceptible to dangerous buildup of steam voids. As the test proceeded, a sudden power surge occurred, causing a dramatic increase in reactor power. The reactor quickly became uncontrollable, leading to a steam explosion that destroyed the reactor core and released a massive amount of radioactive materials into the atmosphere. The explosion and subsequent fire caused the immediate death of 2 plant workers, and within a few weeks, it claimed the lives of 28 more plant workers due to acute radiation sickness. The radioactive fallout spread across a wide area, contaminating large parts of Ukraine, Belarus, and Russia, as well as other parts of Europe. The Chernobyl disaster exposed serious shortcomings in reactor design and safety procedures. It led to significant changes in nuclear power regulations and a reassessment of reactor designs worldwide. The disaster also had severe environmental and health consequences, causing long-term health effects, including an increased incidence of cancer and other diseases among the affected population. Efforts were made to contain and mitigate the consequences of the disaster, including the construction of a massive concrete sarcophagus, known as the Chernobyl shelter, to enclose the damaged reactor. The site remains highly contaminated, and the area around it, known as the Chernobyl exclusion zone, remains largely uninhabited. Don't miss out on this captivating exploration of history and its enduring lessons. Subscribe to our channel and join us on this unforgettable journey.